Friends, in this video I will explain you the working of linear search. So linear search is nothing but a searching technique according to which you can find whether a number or any element is present in that particular array or not. So I have written 2 points here. It is suitable for small sized array as it takes much time because the working process is it will start from the very beginning and one by one it will match the elements to find out whether the number is present or not. So it is suitable only for small sized array. Don't apply to a large sized array because it will be so much time taking. Now second, it can be applicable for both sorted as well as unsorted array. So let us see one example in which we will see how the linear search works. So I will not write the entire program. Okay, here so first I will declare one array. Let it be of integer type, int a. Let the size be 10. Then we require one variable for the number to be searched that we will store here. To run the loop, one variable is required and one temporary variable we will store that will be initialized with 0. I'll explain why we need this temporary variable. So let us first enter the value in the array. So for I 0, as the size is 10, so already we have seen that it has to be less than 10 or less than equals 9. So I plus plus and a of I is equal to int dot next int. Okay, so as soon as this line we write, a structure like this is created in the memory. Okay, where 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we know that index numbers will be there 0 to 9 in this case, as the array size is of 10. Okay, now when this statement will be there, okay, I forgot to write a message as enter the element of array. You can write it. Okay, so when this line will execute, we will enter 1 values. So suppose the very first I is 0. So a of I means a of 0 means this position, what value you have to enter. So accordingly we will enter. Let us suppose the values are randomly. I will enter 52, 29, 65, 47, 33, 11, 19, 27, 56 and 92. Now what we are supposed to enter? We will enter the number that has to be entered. So suppose I will type a message, enter the number to be searched. So ns int dot next int. Now what you have to do, suppose you have entered, let the number is present here. Let I am finding the number 33. So suppose I will enter the value of ns as 33. Okay, now this number if I have to find, as I have told, we have to write the condition in such a way that it will look for one by one element. So once again we will write the same loop that we have written here. For I is 0 less than 10, I plus plus. Now you have to write the condition exact match. So if a of I is equal to ns, in that case we will change this t into 1 and we will apply break over here. Then Once this loop is over, we will write the condition as t is equal to 1. It will print that search successful. You can print any other statement according to the statement given in the question. Okay, else sopln search unsuccessful. Now let us see the execution part. So till here we have seen ns value entered. Now I value is 0. This 0 represents the index number. Here you can see the index number. Okay. So this index number, it is pointing out. So when we are checking the condition, this condition, if a of I means the value, means first it will check the condition here, 52 is equal to 33 or not. This represents what? A of I, and this represents ns. Are they equal? No. If that is the case, then this part if will be not executing, means this if block, it will not execute. Then it will go to the next value of I, because we have written I plus plus, so I will become 1. So next time a of I will be how much? This 29. So now this 29 will be compared with 33, still not equal. So once again I value will change. Now 65 with 33, still not equal. So I value will change. 47, not equal. Next I will be 4. That time a of I will be 33. Now we have a match. In this case, when it will match, this t becomes 1. You can see here initially t was 0. This temporary variable we are using to indicate that the number is found. Okay. If you will not write, then what will happen? Suppose the number is found, and instead of writing this, you are printing here directly search successful. So you can see the previous 4 cases the number was not found. So in that case it will come to else part, and it will be printing search unsuccessful 4 times. Okay. So similarly we can see here when this number is found, t becomes 1 and it will break the loop. So that further, if number is found here only, why I will search the remaining part? That's why I have applied break over here. So now when it comes out of the loop, then it will check whether t is 1. Yes, we have got the number, so t is 1. So it will print search unsuccessful. Chances are there that the number is not present. Suppose I will not take the ns value as 33. I will take the ns value something else which is not present here. Let it be 20. So 20 is not present. In that case, the entire loop will run, but at no place this condition will be true. So if this condition is not true, this if block will not execute. It means that t will remain how much? 0. So when it will come and check here, if t is equal to 1, so this condition becomes false, so it will print the else part, which is search unsuccessful. So this is the case of integer array. For integer and character array, not much difference. Only this part you have to change. Here you have to change. Int a will become char. Here it will become char. Okay. This method you have to change according to the character data type. Okay. And this condition will remain same. There will be a change in case of string. So this part in the beginning, you can see here, this will become string. This will also become string. Now this will be, you can take next or next line according to your choice. This will also become next or next line, but remember these two has to be same. Now the condition part, there we cannot apply this operator in case of string. For that we can use equals ignore case or compare to functions of string class. So here this condition will be written as if a of I dot equals ignore case, and in bracket you will write ns. So this condition will be changed in case of string array. Just remember that. Remaining part will be same. Okay. In the next video I will explain about binary search.